Hi there. In today's video, we will showcase the top 5 best George Foreman grills you can buy this year. Let's start. George Foreman GR50B Electric Grill. Combining indoor and outdoor grilling made easier by the removable stand, this grill is not bound by bad weather. With a 240 square inch grilling surface, it feeds 15 or more at a time. Use the 5 heat setting probe and after the party, remove the nonstick grill for easy cleanup. Users love its heat and even cooking, yet as it is not used indoors, use and storage can be a problem. Care is needed with the electric heating element and the aluminum drip tray. It does not get very hot and needs careful drying out. Some find it hard to clean, but it is a versatile grill that does what it is designed for. George Foreman GRP 3060B Plate Grill. Number 2 is the George Foreman GRP 3060B Plate Grill. This grill features 60 square inches of space and has the option to make 4 servings at once, making it perfect for small families or couples. The patented slope design helps remove fat from the food as it cooks, making it up to 42% leaner. The nonstick cooking surface has double the durability of standard nonstick and eliminates the need for oil or butter. The floating hinge and adjustable height accommodate a variety of foods, from thick cuts of meat to paninis. It has removable plates for easy cleaning and they're dishwasher safe for added convenience. This compact electric grill measures approximately 12.28 by 6.5 by 13.27 inches and comes with a 3-year limited warranty. George Foreman GRP 4842P Plate Grill. This incredibly versatile George Foreman multi-plate Evolve grill will let you grill, bake, sauté, toast, griddle, and make paninis as well. It comes complete with ceramic-coated grill plates and non-stick waffle plates with an additional bake dish, a grill cup covering sauté, braise, and bake, and a muffin cup covering individual quiches, bread, and brownies. The digital control panel lets you set time, temperature, and variable heat with the floating hinge and adjustable cooking angle accommodating the thickest cuts of meat. It's also highly rated at 4.4 out of 5 stars on Amazon with excellent reviews about how well it cooks, how easy it cleans, and what a robust, excellent value product it is. George Foreman GR2144P Plate Grill. Number 4, we have the George Foreman GR2144P Electric Plate Grill. With its substantial size and sleek design, this grill is perfect for cooking for a crowd. It features 144 square inches of grilling surface, making it capable of cooking up to 9 servings at once. The nonstick coating allows for healthier cooking with little to no oil needed. The slope design helps drain up to 42% of fat away from the food, keeping it both delicious and healthy. Plus, the removable grill plates and drip tray are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. George Foreman GRS060BS Submersible Grill. At number 5, we have the George Foreman GRS060BS Submersible Grill. This sleek-looking charcoal grill is not only elegantly designed, but it's also easy to use and clean. In fact, its nonstick-coated plates are easily removable and dishwasher safe. It also includes a special temperature probe which ensures you don't have undercooked or overcooked meat. This grill gets up to temperature in a matter of minutes and features a unique sloping grate design, which takes out the grease. Standing at 14 inches tall and not requiring any propane or messy charcoal, this electrical appliance can easily be used both indoors and outdoors, making it perfect for a picnic or camping trip. Rounding out our list at number 3, we got the George Foreman Fully Submersible Grill. It measures approximately 11 by 10 by 4 inches and has a non-stick coating on the plates. We hope you've enjoyed our video on the best George Foreman grills. Thanks for watching.